So good day everyone. We are the group 5 and today we are presenting our project which is the PWD visual portal. It is a government digital service platform designed especially for person with low vision and blindness. So here in the Philippines, applying for a PWID can be challenging for visual impaired individuals. So long queues, confusing paperwork, and inaccessible forms create barriers. So our project solves by this bringing entire application process online with full accessibility features and bilingual support in English and Filipino.
Let me walk you through the user journey. First, our homepage features large, high-contrast quick action buttons and a text-to-speech navigation guide for screen readers users. So dito po sa home, punta po tayo sa apply for PWD ID. And then, type of visual impairment. So, pili lang po tayo dito ng type of impairment natin. So, meron po ditong low vision, legally blind, total blindness, tunnel vision. Ang pipilian po natin, for example, ay low vision. And then, is your vision loss visibly apparent? So, pag yes po, white cane, guide dog, no medical certificate needed. And pag no po, ophthalmologist certificate required. So, for example, pang pipili natin ay no. And then, best corrected visual 200. Then, field of vision 20. Then, next step tayo. Dito, mag-upload tayo ng documents. O una, ophthalmologist certificate. Ayan, next, valid government ID. 1x1 ID photo. Proof of residence. Next step. Confirm. And then submit application. Dito po, ayan, application submitted successfully. Tapos pwede nating i-copy yung reference number natin. Then pwede rin natin i-download yung accessible PDF. Tapos back to home.
So, dito naman po tayo sa part ng benefits for low vision blindness. So, dito po may makikita na tayong 20% discount on goods and services, VAT exemption on qualifying purchases, priority lane in government and private offices, educational accommodation and assistive tech, and also workplace adjustment and regional accommodation, white cane or guide dog rights, and transport fare discount. And next po is dito tayo sa frequently asked question of visual disability. So, ang first question po is, what vision level qualifies for PWD ID? So, ang answer po is, best corrected visual acuity of 20/200 in the better eye, or field of vision, this eye grade alone, and does not qualify if correctable to 20/20 with lenses. So, next question po is, do I need a medical certificate? So, only if your visual impairment is not visible apparent. If you use a white cane or guide dog, you may be exempt from submitting medical certificate. So, next po is, how long is the PWD ID valid? So, the PWD ID is valid for 5 years. You should renew it at least once a month before expiry at your local PDAO. So next is, where can I apply? Which is the last question. So it says here that you can apply at the Persons with Disability Affairs Office in your city or municipality. So in our system. We also have, if hindi po kayo masyadong makaano ng English, so meron po tayo ang Tagalog part. So, pwede po parang translator na Tagalog.
We've created a government service that truly serves all citizens regardless of. What makes this portal truly exclusive is our accessibility. Settings panel user can toggle high contrast mode, dark mode, reduce motion, screen reader optimization, text to speech for all content, and we also provide adjustable sizing from 100% to 200% and console focus ring scaling up to 3 times with a live preview so users see change instantly, preference save to the browser for return visit.
So this portal isn't just a website, so it's a digital inclusion for one of the most vulnerable sectors in the Philippines.